Hi, this is Gail. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I'm on day 2 of the Fab Tag 30-day challenge. And these are inspired by Andrea Allen and her use of watercolor backgrounds. So it is so easy, so fun, and just one of those really relaxing techniques. Before I show you the tags that I've made, let me explain to you about these papers. This is some of the backgrounds made with watercolors. Now, how easy is it? A 3.5-year-old did these. Totally. Take out your watercolors, and play on a piece of paper. Obviously, it would have been better if this was like a manila file folder, but I had these papers down because I had a craft weekend and they were left on the table. And so my grandson was here and he and I and his mom just played and we made these papers. And we've been talking about the fact that, perhaps he needs a bookmark for the big multiple story books that his mom is starting to read to him at night. So I figured I would make him a bookmark out of the papers. So we'll see how that goes. Anyhow, I got started after I watched Andrea's video. I happened to have a craft weekend with a friend. And we decided we wanted to play with all the different kinds of watercolors that we had. So, indeed, that's what we did. We used all different kinds of watercolor papers and all different kinds of watercolors. And we played. And this is the result. We each did, I don't know how many pages, but we ended up with 30. We cut them up, just split them right up, and ended up with 36 tags between us. So I'll just real quickly show you some of what we ended up with. It was so much fun. Believe me, you want to relax and just kind of let it all hang out. Doing the watercolor backgrounds is super easy. And when I show you the tag I made with it, you'll go, wow, how easy and how cute and simple. And if you have a color preference, then even better, right? Still working on getting the lighting well in here. Okay, so, whoops, there we go. Okay, now, these are just the backgrounds. These haven't had anything done to them other than watercolor put on them. So, you see the wide variety. Now, there's some shimmery going on in some of them. And I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not. Ooh, there's some gold. And that's fun when you have that in there as well. There's some with these. Some splatter. Anyhow. Now, you'll see these are my favorite colors. And I started on a tag for using those. So here was my first tag using the watercolor backgrounds. Pardon my hands, still dealing with some issues with a rash. At any rate, you will see this is the watercolor background. To that, I simply added some die cuts of flowers. This little piece of ephemera, do great things with great heart. Put a little tiny paper doll on top. These are the Tim Holtz wings. This is the some sari silk made into a bow using Andrea's method. A little tiny flower die cut and some bling in the center. And up here, of course, the piece of the um, old vintage trim. And yes, a faux enamel number. So how easy is that? And then on the back, it's blank for journaling. So super easy to do. Super fun. Rainbow and assortment of colors and super easy. So there is my day 2, and I have many to continue to make, and I will get some more done. So hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got inspired. I'll link Andrea's video showing her watercolor background technique, which really not much to it, just play with watercolors. So talk to you later. Get out there and make something. Bye-bye.